Hello students, welcome to VIII. I am Krishna. I am here to teach you 8th standard science. The very first unit, measurement. So before knowing about measurement, we must know what is physics. Physics is nothing but to study about nature. நம்மளை சுத்தி இருக்கிறத படிக்கிறது தான் என்ன physics. Actually physics is only we know that having so many laws, theories, formulas, all those things. Example, Newton's law, Ohm's law, this kind of laws. So many laws are in physics. Students, if you want to accept any rules or laws in the physics, we must need experimental results. For that experimental results, we need measurements. Got it? Definition of the measurement is simple. To find the unknown physical quantity by using standard quantity. Sapina to measure the length or width of the notebook with the help of this scale. So other than measurement, because now we don't know the length. This is what unknown physical quantity. So we can measure the length of this book with the help of this standard quantity. Got it? So in the scale use panni in the book measure பண்ணும்போது we know the unknown quantity. Got it? For the perfect measurement, we need three things: instrument, standard quantity, and acceptable unit. I'll explain it by the example. See, now I'm measuring the length of this notebook with the help of this scale. So what is how much? I think this is 30 centimeter. So length is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. See, look at this. First one is instrument. What is the instrument of this activity? The scale is the instrument. Got it? Scale. The next one, standard quantity. What is standard quantity? This 30. This 30 is the standard quantity. Quantity is simply some magnitude. Then final one, acceptable unit. Which unit I mentioned here? The centimeter. Got it? So this is the three things for the perfect measurement. System of units. As I told you, units is used to express the quantity, right? So the units வந்து இப்படி தான் பண்ணணும் அப்படி கிடையாது. Scientists வந்து they are in different countries, they are doing experiments. அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா they record their experiment results by their standard units. We have three different types of unit systems. The first one FPS, next one CGS, third one MKS. அப்படின்னா F means foot, P means pound, is a second. Then this one C means centimeter, G means gram, second. C M means meter, K means kilogram, S means second. So actually என்னன்னா இந்த foot, centimeter, meters, these all three things are used to express the length, right? The next one, this pound, gram, kilogram, these all three are used to express mass. The second, we know that, is used to express the time. So actually the problem is, see, one country they will record their experiments like this way. The other country they will record like this way. So with the problem now, there is a lack of continuation in the experiment. So even in the record for this country, scientists will feel very difficult to understand. So finally they concluded. So in the different system of units now will be confusing. So we go for international unit is known as SI unit, right? Students, I told you what is SI unit and the importance for that. So in the SI unit, scientists choose 7 fundamental physical quantities and they assign fundamental standard unit for that. That means we know that the length we can express in terms of centimeter, meter, kilometer, whatever. But the SI unit says, whenever you are measuring length, you must put meter as the unit. And whenever you measure the mass, you just put kilogram as the SI unit. Again, time means second, temperature means Kelvin. So electric current means ampere, amount of substance means mole, luminous intensity means candela. These are the symbols of the units. So actually, I told you, so one physical quantity நம்ம நிறைய terms of unitsல express பண்ணலாம். So அந்த confusion avoid பண்றதுக்காக தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம், we go for the SI units. So இந்த SI units சொல்றதுல, so whenever measuring length, we just meter as the unit, right? Kilogram as the SI unit for the mass, and second is the SI unit for the time, and Kelvin is the SI unit for temperature. But இது மட்டும் தான் units never. So இன்னும் நிறைய termsல சொல்லலாம், but நாம இத மட்டும் தான் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவோம். அதாவது இந்தியால இத ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க, அமெரிக்கால இத ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க, ஜப்பான்ல இத ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவாங்க. புரியுதா? சோ இதுல இருந்து என்ன ஆகும்னா, they reduce the confusion between the scientists who are from different countries. Students, among that 7 fundamental units, explain the temperature. So temperature, actually what is that? Temperature means is a physical quantity. It is used to measure the hotness or coldness of a body. What? அப்படினா என்னன்னா, எல்லாரும் மார்னிங் எழும்புறோம், என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? We usually took coffee, right? Coffee ரொம்ப ஹாட்டா இருக்கும், and everyone love to take ice creams, right? So எப்படி இருக்கும்? Ice creams ஹாட்டா இருக்குமா? No, they very ரொம்ப சில்லா இருக்கும், right? So இந்த ரெண்டுக்கும் என்ன டிஃபரண்ட் guys? அது காஃபி ரொம்ப ஹாட்டா இருக்கும், ஐஸ்கிரீம் ரொம்ப கோல்டா இருக்கும். So அது எது டிசைட் பண்ணுதுன்னா, so the temperature தான் டிசைட் பண்ணுது எது ஹாட்டா இருக்கணும் அல்லது கோல்டா இருக்கணும். So புரியுதா? that and the degree of the hotness or coldness express பண்ற ஒரு குவாண்டிட்டி தான் என்ன, டெம்பரேச்சர். அதாவது ஒரு சிம்பிள், இப்போ காஃபி மேக் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, they provide some energy in the form of heat, right? So அந்த heat என்ன ஆகுது, that heat in ஆகுது காஃபிக்கு உள்ளாடி. So அதனால டெம்பரேச்சர் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகுது, ரொம்ப ஹாட்டா இருக்குது. And ஐஸ்கிரீம் அவங்க ஃப்ரிட்ஜ்ல வைக்கும்போது, ஃப்ரிட்ஜ் இருக்குல, அது என்ன பண்ணுது, that extract or out the heat from that ice cream. So அதனால என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, heat out ஆகுது ஐஸ்கிரீம் இது, so that become cold. இல்ல சின்ன டெஃபினிஷன் என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா, simply what temperature is the measure of the average kinetic energy, measure of the average kinetic energy. See, kinetic energy is nothing, ஒண்ணுமே கிடையாது, ரொம்ப சிம்பிள் பா. ஒரு இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஒரு காஃபி ஒரு கப் இருக்கு, ரைட்? கப்ல காஃபி இருக்குது. காஃபி இஸ் என்ன, இஸ் மேட் அப் ஆஃப் so molecules, you know that. இப்போ அத நம்ம ஹீட் கொடுக்கிறோம், என்ன பண்றோம், கப்ல இருக்க காஃபிக்கு ஹீட் கொடுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும், அந்த அதுக்கு உள்ளாடி இருக்கிற மாலிகூல்ஸ் என்ன ஆகும், that molecules வந்து வேகமா ஓடும், collide each other. So என்ன ஆகும், that will produce heat from by the friction. அது ஹீட் கொடுக்கும்போது அதுக்கு உள்ளாடி என்ன ஆகுது, kinetic energy சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. அதுதான் சொல்றாங்க, is a measure of the average kinetic energy. Got it? Students, as I told you, Kelvin is the SI unit for the temperature, but not in our case. Usually we use Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin. These three things are used to measure the temperature. So I will explain you what is the difference between these three units. Just I am going to explain you the conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Kelvin. It's very simple. See, for that you must know this formula. Celsius minus 0 by 100 is equal to Fahrenheit F minus 32 by 180 is equal to Kelvin minus 273 by 100. So students, just memorize only this formula. Then I will explain you how to convert it. To understand the conversion, we choose one case. This is the 100 degrees Celsius boiling point of the water, and 0 degrees Celsius is the melting point of the pure ice or freezing point of the water. Okay. So with the Celsius la rendu values irukku. So we need to convert this into Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Okay. First I convert the Celsius into Fahrenheit. So this Celsius into Fahrenheit. So just forget this. 0 Celsius 0 minus 0 by 100. So here F minus 32 by 180. So 0 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. So I converted that into 32 degree Fahrenheit. Next, in case the Celsius value is 100 degrees centigrade, so 100 divided by 100, F minus 32 by 180, so that one will get 1. Again the 180 here, that will be 180 here, F minus 32. So find F is equal to 32 here. So 180 plus 32, 212. So total degree Fahrenheit, right? So I converted that Celsius into Fahrenheit. The next ones I am going to convert the Celsius into Kelvin. So what I convert this Fahrenheit to Celsius and Kelvin. The first case 0 degree Celsius. So when I totally 0, again this is K minus 273 by Kelvin. Again 0 is equal to K minus 273. So you will get K is equal to 273. So if it is 0 degree Celsius, that Kelvin 273 Kelvin. Okay. Celsius 100 degree Celsius means என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Get 373 Kelvin. Students, please do this calculation by own. You just practice with different Celsius values. So you will get a good idea about that. So, students, okay, now we will see the applications of that different temperature scales. So we know that the 3 different scales. What are they? Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. That Celsius scale வந்து எங்க மெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா நம்ம the weather reports இருக்குல்லையா, weather reports மெஷர் பண்ற that thermometers and the temperature scales எல்லாமே செல்சியஸ்ல மெஷர் பண்ணுவாங்க. And hospitals activities இருக்குல்ல, the physicians எல்லாமே they use the thermometer. அது எந்த scale இருக்குன்னா will be in the Fahrenheit scale. Next one, scientists use பண்ற thermometers, they are using Kelvin as the scale for the temperature.